Running local offline open source LLMs on a small single board computer just got a lot easier and seems like it's only gonna get better. So, if you have an RK35 series SBC lying around, then you should try this new tool called Vicharak Chat to run large language models like Deepseek R1 in just a few minutes. In my last video on Vicharak's Axon, I promised that I will make an application video to demonstrate its common use cases. But pretty quickly I realized how insane it would be to try and put everything in one single video. So instead, I'm going to break them out into their own separate videos, each with their own topic, focusing on clarity and simplicity, and then put them all in a playlist. And to kick that series off with a banger, here's our first episode on Vicharak Chat, and we'll cover offline local open source LLMs on Axon with a single command. And not just any LLM, we will run Deepseek R1 reasoning models. And then I'll show you the trick how you can run Vicharak Chat even on other RK35 boards, like this Rock5C. So with this further ado, let's dive in. We will start by setting up and running Vicharak Chat on Vicharak's first-party Axon single-board computer. And this post will be our guide. It may not look impressive from a distance, but trust me, it's over 8 inches long when fully lit. I've measured. Now, once you look past all the fluff sandwiches, like you must be on the latest kernel, which you have to, or you must overclock your Axon, which you don't have to, somewhere in the middle, there's a cream of this Oreo, and that's all you need. Simply type sudo apt install vicharak-chat. Once installed, run Vicharak Chat and go make a tea. When you come back, you will find that your Axon is ready for Axon. By default, it starts with the Llama 3.2 1B model, and that's nice for a solid minute before you realize it's more fun to talk to the pet lizard in the room. But that's alright, because we're not here for Llama. We're here to address the whale in the room. In the model selector, choose one of the Deepseek R1 models. You can choose either, but the int8 quantized model will be roughly 50% faster to run. Confirm your selection so that Vicharak Chat can go grab the model while you go grab some coffee and I go grab RK NPU top to properly visualize the NPU usage. And now we can start asking it some hard-hitting questions. And if you can't think of any, then just ask ChatGPT for some ideas. But Dave, I hear you ask, why are you promoting vendor logins? What if I don't have an Axon? What if my RK35 SBC is from some other vendor? What then? Well, Vicharak Chat can be installed on practically any board with Rockchip NPU running on Ubuntu 24.04 or later. Let me show you. After watching our last video, ExactAI graciously gave us this Rock5C and Rock5C Lite and said, go have fun with it. Thanks to them, now I have a range of RK35 series boards to test on, and the first idea that came to my mind is trying to make Vicharak Chat work on it. Because if we can run it on the RK3588 S2 SoC of the Rock5C, then we can run this turnkey LLM server on practically any SoC with RK NPUs, which seems to be the most cost-effective way to run AI on the edge at the moment. So I did that, and because my attention span is too short to take you through all the individual steps, I put together this nice little script for you to just download and run. Just go to my board reviews GitHub repo, and in the Rockchip SoC directory, you will find the install vicharakchat.sh script. It basically sets up Vicharak repo and installs chat, and then rest of it should be just the same. And I say should be as in ideally it should be, but actually it isn't. As of this moment, the frontend server crashes for some reason. I have sent this to the engineer working on it. Let's hope by the time you're watching, it's already fixed. But you know what? You can still run it in console mode. Just use the flag for running it in console mode with the name of the model, and while at it, maybe tune some other parameters for better results. The particular configuration that works best for me is in the description, in case you want to use the same values. Now, here's the prompt and its output with RKNPU top to visualize the load. I gave Deepseek a novel prompt, and Deepseek gave me a novel as an answer, just to test if it crashes as we increase the max output tokens. But it did as flex for real, no cap. Props to Vicharak for making local LLMs so convenient to run. Many have tried, and I have tried them all, but none so simple. It works like a charm. A single command turnkey solution is just mwah. But it's not yet perfect. And if I had to make a wish list of improvements for it, I'd say, first of all, open source the project, please. Also, please set better defaults for the out-of-the-box experience. I mean, its main USP is that I don't have to fiddle with it, or at least I shouldn't have to by default. And speaking of defaults, please enable conversation context. Right now, each message is its own separate conversation, and that's not good. While at it, maybe also enable dynamically loading models instead of hard coding them, maybe from a model directory or in the CLI with model file path. Some quality of life, user experience, and aesthetic changes would also be nice. And as a stretch goal, why stop at LLM? Turn this into a Vicharack AI playground with image generation, object recognition, running all kinds of models. That'd be pretty cool, right? Thanks Exact AI for sponsoring us on GitHub. If you also like what we're doing, please consider supporting us. Also follow us on Instagram for random behind the scenes stuff. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, and go watch our Axon review video if you haven't already. Alright, catch you all on the next one. Break it till you make it.